Today I'll show you how to get the blurry background that you want in your photos and videos with 3 steps. Let's get started. Today we're talking about your blurry background. How to get a nice blurry background like this one you see right here in this screen right here. Looks pretty good, looks pretty awesome, but how do you get it? What lens, what camera, what tools do you need to get a blurry background? Well, you saw from the first little scene we did, this lens is your best tool for a blurry background like this right here. Well, today I'm gonna show you the best lens, the best 3 tips for a nice blurry background you see right here. It's pretty awesome, but first, look at these photos. This lens right here, the Canon 50mm lens 1.8 shot from this little guy, this tiny little guy right here. Check it out. Alright, pretty awesome, right? Those photos you saw shot with this tiny little lens. Pretty awesome, pretty great shots. But today I'm gonna show you 3 tips to get nice blurry background as you see right now in this video right here. Nice, blurry, sharp focus, pretty awesome. Here's how to do it. First things first, what is it? What is a blurry background? Well, it's called depth of field. So basically, depth of field is how far away that object is from the camera, from the sensor, from the lens. You could go more in technical things about it, but I'm not here for that. That's too long and too boring. But basically it's this. When you have a camera, we have a lens. Lenses come with a different f-stop number. Some go all the way down to a 4.5 to like 22, or all the way down to a 1.8, 1.4. Now I have 2 lenses here today. I have the Sigma 35 1.4 art lens, my favorite lens. Sigma, please sponsor me, come on. But also, we also have the Canon 50 nifty lens, the 50mm 1.8 lens. This lens is pretty awesome, pretty great, and at a low cost. But let's do 2 shots from lens 1, lens 2, and see which one is better. Check it out. Pretty awesome, right? That's the first tip in getting awesome shots and awesome blurry background like you see right here, all blurring out with different lenses. Using different lenses like the 50mm lens or the Sigma 35 1.4 art lens can get you a better shot every time, anytime. Now the second tip, let's get started. Alright, for our second tip for a nice blurry background you see right here is this. Say you don't have a nice prime lens like the 50mm lens or the Sigma 35 1.4 lens. Second step you can do is using a zoom lens. Say you have a 24-70 lens like this one. Sony, I guess it's okay. But 24-70, great lens. If you zoom in to the subject from here to there, it compresses the object, compresses the subject, and makes the background a little more blurry. Not as blurry as the 50 or Sigma, but pretty awesome. So I'm gonna show you a few photos of what a compressed shot would do for a nice blurry background. Check it out. Alright, pretty awesome, right? As you see on the screen right now, each shot was shot from 24 to 50 to 70 on a zoom lens. 24-70 Sigma, also right here, Sigma, best brand. Love this guy. On a Sony though, not as great as a Canon, but close enough. But those shots shot by a 24-70, so going in from 24 to a 50 to a 70. Each shot actually got closer and closer to the 70 mark. Got more compressed, more blurry background, more awesome photos for you and your subject. Pretty awesome. Now, our third tip coming up right now. For my last tip and my final tip, say you don't have a nice DSLR, Sony camera, or Canon camera, Team Canon, but you don't have one of those, you can also use your own iPhone. iPhones are so smart nowadays, they can make artificial depth of field. Your iPhone, go to portrait mode, you're able to get an awesome shot, awesome blurry background shot just from your iPhone. So if you have an iPhone 7, 6, 5, 4, or 12 mini, Team Mini, if you have one of those phones, you have the option to go to portrait mode. Portrait mode is an awesome mode to get awesome, nice blurry background for your photos. Simply just swipe over to portrait mode. All you gotta do is focus on your subject and get an awesome shot of him. Here's the example shot on iPhone 12 mini with portrait mode. Check it out. Alright, we're now back home, back in our studio, back to go over the 3 tips and 3 tools, little recap of depth of field, how to get a nice blurry background you see right here. Look at this nice blurry background, a little depth of field going on, a little light bulb right there. Pretty awesome. Let's go over a little recap of the 3 tips for a blurry background. Number 1, using your awesome, useful prime lenses, okay? Using prime lenses like this guy, the Canon 50mm lens right here. Pretty awesome lens, pretty great lens, super awesome details, super sharp photos, super awesome as you've seen in the video prior before this one. Pretty great, pretty awesome. And this Sigma 35 lens right now, showing it right now, pretty awesome. Great lens, by the way. And our second tip, our most useful tip, is using a zoom lens like the 2470 Sigma. Awesome, great lens. If you use that lens to go from 24 to 50 to 70, zooming into your subject from each focal point can make your background more blurry as you go closer and closer to your subject. Pretty awesome. And for our third tip and our final tip and our most very easy tip of all, our iPhone. Portrait mode. Boop, turn it on. Portrait mode, use that little awesome wide angle lens on my iPhone 12 mini. Great camera, by the way. Made a video about it right there. Check it out. Awesome video. Great video. Watch it, like it, check it out. But using portrait mode for this awesome camera right here can give you some awesome blurry background photos, as you saw beforehand, right over there. Pretty awesome. Check them out. But that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Quick little tutorial, little tech tip to get you some awesome blurry backgrounds that you see right now. Pretty awesome, pretty great. Now check them out. Try one of them out. It's pretty awesome. And be sure to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more photography tips and tutorials on the way. And just do me one favor. You should go watch this video right here. It's a great video. Awesome. That's an awesome video. Check it out, click it, bop it, put it in your pocket and lock it in because it's a pretty awesome video. Check it out, watch it, and see you next time. Peace.